Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.21, which is a noticeable spike compared to our historical baseline. This indicates a shift in sentiment that could signal an emerging trend. The momentum, however, is down at minus 0.18, suggesting a potential hesitation in action despite the positive sentiment. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights, including semantic clusters, which in this case number 17, offering you a rich context around market emotions. This is particularly useful if you're developing an algorithm that needs to gauge sentiment in real time for decision-making. For example, you could set up alerts to trigger when sentiment and momentum diverge significantly, allowing you to spot potential inflection points before they happen. Dive deeper into these insights at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn data into actionable intelligence together.